Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video I'm going to walk you through how to factory reset your iPhone. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, if you don't want your iPhone anymore, say you're selling it or trading it in, you can factory reset it, but there are a few things that you need to do beforehand so you make sure that you don't lose data or somebody can't kind of access your privacy or anything like that. So I'm going to walk you through all of those steps here. The first thing that we'll want to do is to head into settings. And you can see at the very top, if you're signed into your iCloud, which most people are on their iPhone, you can tap on that, tap on your Apple ID, and there are a few different things that we'll want to do. The very first thing here you can see is iCloud around the middle of the screen. We'll tap on iCloud, and then you can see right under Photos, there's an iCloud backup. We're going to tap on that. Now, you can see at the bottom it says backup now, and last successful backup is at 1:23 p.m., so only a few minutes ago. Most likely this backs up every night. Most iPhones are set to back up every night when you have them plugged in on Wi-Fi whatsoever. But if it hasn't backed up recently, you probably want to back up this iPhone so that if you ever get a new iPhone down the road or you trade it in or anything, it can restore all of your information just from that iCloud backup. So hit the backup now button, wait for it to back up. It might be good to be on Wi-Fi throughout that process if it has to download lots of data. Now let's go back out of here and go back again. The next thing that you'll want to do is to make sure you turned off Find My iPhone. And this helps your privacy because if it's left on, potentially somebody else could locate where this iPhone is, and it's just weird for privacy and you be able to locate this iPhone. So you go into Find My, and then at the very top, Find My iPhone, and you can just toggle this off. So toggle off Find My iPhone, and this disables your ability to be able to see where this iPhone is after you trade it in and all that stuff. So turn off Find My iPhone. And then the very last thing before we factory reset your iPhone is you're gonna, at the very bottom here, sign out. So just hit the sign out button here to fully sign out of your Apple ID. So that will mean this iPhone is not associated with your account anymore and somebody else can sign into this iPhone. Now, once we go through those 3 steps, we're ready to do the factory reset. So scroll down and go to General here. And then we'll want to scroll down until we see Transfer or Reset iPhone towards the bottom there. And then it will give you a reset option and erase all content and settings. And we'll want erase all content and settings. And this will factory reset your iPhone. It takes maybe 5 to 10 minutes to go through the full steps of factory resetting it. But you can see it says erase this iPhone. Erasing will sign out of your Apple ID, remove your personal data so this iPhone can be safely traded or given away. The following items will be safely removed: all of your apps and data, your Apple ID, and your Find My activation lock. So you go through these steps, you hit continue, and it will remove all of your personal data from this iPhone and factory reset it so that you can sell it or trade it in or give it to a friend or a family member or anything like that. Hope this helps. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below and make sure to subscribe. Thanks.